Hi, my name is Ted Smith and I'm a developer champion here at Akamai. Today, I want to introduce EdgeWorkers, which is one of Akamai's edge computing solutions. EdgeWorkers makes it possible to execute JavaScript functions across thousands of POPs around the globe. By moving compute logic to the edge, you'll be able to run code closer to end users, improve application performance, and accelerate deployment times. Now, before we move on, I want to clarify what edge computing is and how it's different than cloud computing. And to be clear, there's a time and a place for both, so it's important to understand which to use for individual applications. Cloud computing is a service offered by cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. With these services, you're running code on dedicated infrastructure in specific locations. Because this is a centralized model, some users may experience a faster service than others depending on their location. As a workaround, you can provision additional infrastructure in more locations, but with this comes an increase in complexity and operational costs. Edge computing, on the other hand, allows developers to run code on highly distributed, shared infrastructure. This infrastructure is usually managed by the platform provider, which means you can scale your application to reach more users without the extra work of managing and upgrading code in multiple locations. Now, back to our original topic. Akamai EdgeWorkers exposes the power of the Akamai platform to developers, letting you extend your application logic to the edge. So, where does that get us? For one, better application performance. With EdgeWorkers, your logic runs as close as possible to your end users, ensuring a consistently performant experience. Also, faster deployment times. As a developer, you can write, test, and deploy code across thousands of servers around the world in a matter of minutes. Finally, decreased origin overhead. Moving compute cycles to the edge lets Akamai solve the challenge of scaling globally so you can focus on building. If you're interested in learning more about EdgeWorkers, be sure to visit developer.akamai.com/edgeworkers. And don't forget to subscribe for even more developer videos. Thanks, and see you next time.